Orlock rivets are the hottest innovation to hit North American riveting. Orlocks are becoming widely known for their long grip ranges and the unique large backside bearing surface. The large backside footprint makes the rivet very desirable in applications where screws and nuts were formerly used. Faster installation times, lower inventories, as well as the ability to be installed in applications with a blind backside make Orlock rivets a substantial improvement to many applications. Want to help everybody win? Design the rivet in.